Hey guys, I wanted to take a second and do a quick unboxing of a shoe I just got in. This is a brand new shoe out by Kswiss called the Classic VN Premium. It does have some premium materials, but from first glance it didn't look like much of a shoe. But if you take just a few seconds and take a look really close and deep, you start to enjoy some of the great materials that they're using on this brand new premium version of the Kswiss Classic. These 5 stripes on the side didn't look like very much, but then I noticed the material on the back. See this patent gray leather, silver leather on the back? It's just a beautiful look. It's really classy, but then if you look really close, you get an opportunity to see all this amazing kind of rainbow in the back. The 5 stripes looked pretty neat, but then I decided let's hit it with a flash. Notice that it's a great shoe from far away. Such a great looking shoe. And also if you get up really close and see that beautiful rainbow look on the heel tab, you can see why it's called the Kswiss Classic Premium. Here's the side of the box for your reference. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.